Hey everyone, let's talk about something essential for your home's health, but often overlooked: gutters. Those forgotten heroes silently channeling rainwater away from your roof and foundation. But like any hero, neglect them and you face trouble. That's where gutter cleaning service comes in, saving the day and your property. Imagine heavy rain, clogged gutters overflow, water cascades down, pooling around your foundation. Yikes, cracks, leaks, even basement flooding could be your reality. Not to mention water seeping under shingles, leading to leaks, mold, and expensive repairs. Yikes again. But it doesn't have to be this way. Regular gutter cleaning service is your shield against these threats. Think of it as preventative maintenance, saving you money and headaches in the long run. Plus, who wants to risk climbing ladders and dealing with wet debris? Leave it to the professionals. Now, do-it-yourself might seem tempting, but remember, safety first. Professionals are trained, equipped, and insured, ensuring a safe and thorough cleaning. They remove even the toughest clogs, leaving your gutters functioning perfectly. And let's face it, peace of mind knowing your home is protected is priceless. But wait, there's more. Gutter cleaning service prevents future problems like pest infestations from stagnant water, foundation erosion from overflowing gutters, and even protects your roof from damage. It's an investment in your home's value and longevity. That's where Limpier Cleaning Services comes in. We're your trusted partner for expert gutter cleaning service. Our experienced and certified technicians use advanced equipment and eco-friendly solutions to ensure a safe, thorough, and customized cleaning. Plus, we offer gutter guards and downspout cleaning for complete protection. Don't wait for trouble to start. Contact Limpier Cleaning Services today for a free consultation and quote. Until next time, bye.